I'm Robin, and I'm from Virginia in the U.S. And I have wanted to come to China for a while, and Will Excel, their information online looked like a good option. So I chose to go with Will Excel, and it's been pretty nice. I've learned quite a bit about how to deal with young students. I knew most of the English stuff already, but how to deal with students and getting experience dealing with students has been very nice. It's kind of, you're eased in, but it's still kind of jumping into the deep end a little bit, which is nice. You kind of need that experience with classroom teaching, but it's kind of in a semi-controlled environment. It's very nice. I would definitely recommend the program for anyone who's interested in doing this and needs training, because I definitely needed training, and that's been the biggest value for me of this, is that I get trained. And I would say don't come to China unless you really want to do that, because it's definitely, if you're not cut out for it, it could be a very trying experience. But for me, it's been great so far, and I'm expecting it to be